Oh my god, that's so loud.
Where's his phone? How many does this work?
Dude, these are freaking good cinematic shots. You opening a tool chest and shit, just fucking like you're actually doing some shit.
Sorry, it's a mess. You're scared?
A little bit.
What?
I don't know, dude. I don't know. This is a little scary to me.
What's scary about?
Forced induction. I've heard and seen stories. I don't know.
The tuner's fine, you'll be good.
Oh yeah, so this is the best tuner for this car, actually.
And you should be good.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Cover that?
You're not scared. Hey, you're not scared of getting squirted on bullet?
Oh, some green fuel. That's fuel, buddy.
Dude, we were fucking. That's pretty good, huh? Oh, dude, for real.
That was $5 right there.
It really was, dude.
For real. Oh my god, it really was. Dude, I put $10 to it. It was like. It was like, I don't even want to hear that shit. I don't even want to hear that shit.
What do you fill it with?
120, it cuts me off. I told you. It does? It does.
Injectors are on. Spark plugs are gapped. Spark plugs are gapped.
Is wet.
I don't know if I will post that.
That's for the bloopers, right?
Yeah, I know, right?
That's for the podcast.
Maybe bleep it out.
That's for the Patreon page.
Shit's hot.
You should try when you see it. Never tripping on the hoes, nigga. What you thought we getting money over here? Do it. Niggas got me laughing, man. This shit funny, man. Damn, this shit funny.
Well, that's old oil and shit, so that's not it.
This is new. This is newish coolant, actually.
Newish.
You like that?
The next day.
Oh yeah? That's it? Oh, it's a little one.
That's why the two tall guys are back here.
Hell yeah. Alright, it's the next day. We had to make a quick little pit stop at Home Depot to pick up a new battery for the drill. My boy Manny's battery died or something like that. So we're at Home Depot.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Heck yeah, package secured.
Oh my god. That's an arm and a leg, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, no, that shit was hella expensive.
In the back, dude.
I'll sit in the back with you, I guess. Yeah.
This
There's literally no one here that was cool.
Let's go. The plate. We're looking for the plate. Ah, just so many fucking parts.
I think that's it right there. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Randy's like, yeah, it's
So many parts, man.
God damn. It is hot, bro.
Oh yeah.
Hot. Oh, shoot.
Oh,
Drop it.
oh, I know. Just drop the goods.
I know.
Well, it's in a styrofoam box, so you're good.
Oh, shit. It's okay. I know, right?
Well, I gotta open up one of
Matt holding the NBA trophy right now.
I know. Fucking heavy, dude.
Gatorade.
You coming out?
Oh, he drives a 4-cylinder. I don't drive a 4-cylinder. 4-banger.
So it's gonna sit up, come like right here.
Grab one of them. Find it.
Oh shit, I thought I was have to reuse the blue one.
No, bro. So you don't know if it's the same size or not?
Nah, I think this one's a little bit smaller, to be honest with you.
I think it is.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty, guys. So the UPS guy just dropped this off. Oh, yeah. In record time. Oh, yeah.
I wonder what it is.
Working under here.
That's not that big, dude. Tiny, actually.
I way. That shit is huge.
There's some hosing that comes and it comes like right here.
Don't yell at him. Oh, yeah.
Try not to, man.
Dang.
Old one? This shit's all dirty too.
Jesus Christ.
Could sell this, huh?
So how do you feel?
I feel great, dude.
Oh yeah. How do you feel about the new Procharger? Oh, yeah.
I feel great.
These weldings, bro. Like,
Yeah,
that's
crisp.
fucking amazing welding.
Some crisp ass work. Look at those.
Well, dude. Oh, dude, it says right here. Look at it.
Yeah, both sides. Look at those welds.
Crispy.
Depends on how you want it. You want it the highest or what?
I'm just putting it on right now. Oh, bring it down.
Day 3.
Alright, it is day 3 and we are now officially finished. This is the finished product. And yeah, the intercooler is gonna sit a little slanted. That's just cameraman's not here, so I'm the new cameraman. Hi, cameraman. But yeah, for some reason on the 13 to 14 cars, the intercooler sits slanted on that, but I don't care. You ready, John? You wanna do the deeds? Record this. Just in case it blows up, man. No, I'm still recording. Yeah. Sheesh! Manny's the fucking man. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, that got so loud. Whoa. Sheesh! Oh my god. Alright, first little rev.
You should hear it. You should hear
Oh
it.
my god, go ahead, yeah. Oh my god, I gotta hear this. Oh my god! Holy shit! John, you've seen my car what? From what?
From the get-go, man.
From the very
Get-go.
start. And now we're here, John. Look at this. We're here.